In this video, we're going to analyze Luffy's quote from One Piece. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
海賊王に俺はなる!
So today's quote is 海賊王に俺はなる。海賊王に俺はなる。海賊王 means pirate king. The kanji of 海賊 literally means sea thief, which is pirate, and 王 means king. Noun になる means to become something. So 海賊王になる means to become pirate king. 俺 means I or me, used by men in a rough and manly way. And the what particle indicates the topic of the sentence. So 海賊王に俺はなる means I will become pirate king. Now let's look at the word order in this sentence. The target comes first, followed by the topic, and the verb in the end. In Japanese, a sentence basically begins with a topic and ends with a verb. And the target or direct object usually comes right before the verb. So in the usual order, it will be 俺は海賊王になる. But it sounds normal and monotonous, which is not so influential. To make it more influential, you can change the word order. This method is often used when you want to emphasize and leave an impression on listeners, such as poems, lyrics, advertising slogans, and strong declarations. Also, the dictionary form of a verb without sentence-ending particles is often used when you simply determine or declare that you will do something in casual speech. So this sentence is influential and declarative, which leaves a strong impression on listeners. Now try to make sentences more influential by changing the word order and make them declarative by using the dictionary form. 私は優しい人になりたい。私は優しい人になりたい。優しい人に私はなる。優しい人に私はなる。俺はオリンピックを目指したい。俺はオリンピックを目指したい。オリンピックを俺は目指す。オリンピックを俺は目指す。私はいつかあなたを超えたい。私はいつかあなたを超えたい。いつかあなたを私は超える。いつかあなたを私は超える。私はこの町を出たい。私はこの町を出たい。この町を私は出る。この町を私は出る。僕はあの敵を倒したい。僕はあの敵を倒したい。あの敵を僕は倒す。あの敵を僕は倒す。For more examples, please check out our website. You can find the link in the description below. So today's quote, 海賊王に俺はなる means I'm gonna be king of the pirates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.